At Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment in Santa Cruz, CA, we specialize in comprehensive water service repairs to ensure your system operates smoothly and efficiently. Our expert team is skilled in diagnosing and fixing a wide range of issues, including leaks, low pressure, and system malfunctions. We offer transparent pricing, detailed explanations of needed repairs, and recommendations for preventive measures to extend the life of your water service system. Call our water service repairs team if you have any questions. Are you looking for water service repairs near me? You can stop looking. You found Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. What should I do if I experience a water emergency? In the event of a water emergency, such as a burst pipe or severe leak, turn off your water supply at the main valve to prevent further damage. Then, contact us immediately for emergency repair services. Do you offer maintenance services to prevent future problems? Yes, we offer maintenance services designed to keep your water system in top condition and prevent potential issues. Regular maintenance can help extend the lifespan of your system and reduce the likelihood of unexpected repairs. What is your service area for Santa Cruz, California? Our water service repairs has helped clients in Santa Cruz, Boulder Creek, Ben Lomond, Swanton, Day Valley, Davenport, Scotts Valley, Pasatiempo, Corralitos, Freedom, Brookdale, Bonnie Doon, Lompico, Sayant, Olympia, Felton, California. Where is your Santa Cruz, California Water Service Repairs office located? We are located at 325 Soquel Avenue B17, Santa Cruz, California 95062. Our phone number is 831-610-0427. Visit our website, www.santacruzplumbingrepair.com/soquel-santa-cruz-plumbing-draining-water-heater-repair.